So this is the latest update that I have done here in my guest house. You can see I'm showing you the front part, the front area patio, in which we have tiled this far. You can see the tiles, it's patterned for outside tiles. This is actually imported Spanish tiles that is made for outdoors. It's non-slippery, thick, and it's got the grain that it's really nice. But I have a lot of these tiles, and then you can see I'm gonna put some skirting on the side of the wall here and around, and you see that I have leave a gap right on the edge, but this will be all have skirting. You see the piles of tiles I have, it will be all tiled here, and on the walls they will have skirting like I did on the front. You see the skirting that we done here on the front before you enter my guest house. That's what's gonna happen here on the walls around. And then I also got another tile for this water area here, but it will not be against the color of what's the major tiles that's on all around here. There you can see it clearly, the pattern of the tiles, in which I got loads of this because I bought like 6,000 pieces of these tiles because they were on sale. They have like a container of these tiles, and if I want to buy them in wholesale, they'll cost about 50 pesos each from 85, which is the normal selling price. So I bought about 6,000 pieces of these tiles. So this is how I'm at here on the lounge balcony. So I still have to get the like a 3-piece seater here, or any seater that could match the like a lounge area. But so far these are what's the stage of it right now. I still have to clean those lights, and the kitchen. I got all the utensils and appliances for the kitchen, the basic ones, the practical ones, like the microwave, cooker, conduction cooker, and like the basic ones that's needed for practical using, not for like baking and all that. And in here that restored tables and chairs we put in here, and so far that's the patio. So you can see we've done the ceiling here like I've shown, and then around here it's already been painted. And this is the one going down to the bedrooms, and the bathroom down here. So it's already well cleaned up and painted. And then I will just have to remove this bath, and it's basically already here. Here on the bedroom, I gotta have to take it down the curtains because I'm gonna put an aircon here on this wall. So I'm gonna have to put the aircon here, just a window aircon, because you can see they also have a fan here, and it's very windy if they just put on the screen. So that will be the aircon, that's the plug, and this is the second bedroom here. As of the moment, I got all my stacks of stuff here. but you can see that this tempered glass on the door and in the window that you can see it's not even smashed, but it's just cracking on but holding on together. I already had it in order, so it will be installed next week. It's already been 3 weeks to have it tempering. It takes so long. So tempered glass on this one, and on the window, glass door. So basically, and then repaint it over here, touch of old paint, and then I'm gonna clear it all this out. Some will retain of like the plastic cabinets, drawers, I mean, over here in the storeroom. So I'll put some of the plastic drawers here for them to store their items, so because they can lock it here. And that's it, I'm almost there. So it won't take us long to sort this all up. I need more bulbs, I know. And now I'm going out to buy all the air cons, air conditioning unit. I'll just buy window air cons because it's easier to install. And also the plugs are already there, so it won't take long for that air con. But I need to take down all the curtains again because the dust from putting a aircon window, they need to make a hole there. So, and all the bathroom already. So I got already a mirror going here. So that's it, only a few things to do, and then I'm done with the guest house, and I'm just gonna be working outside for the landscaping in the future, but can't do it all so fast because I only got a couple workers, and I gotta clear out all there. And I want to show you the patio that we have done here near, that used to be the septic tank. So we reach here. So I'll just style that as well in the future, and this is gonna be all continued railed and on the front. So I just want to make it all tidy. So I let them cement both sides of the stairs so the earth won't be coming in and render that side of the garden. But the garden will just come in the future. I'll just do the landscaping here, but I just want to make it ready to live on. So I'm more of the interiors, which is I'm almost there.